Welcome to .NET Technology video series. Today we will understand the concept of web services. Web services are client and server-side applications that communicate over the web or website. A web services is the communication platform between two different or same platform applications that allow to use web methods. Live cricket score, weather information are the example of web services. For common purpose, you can create a web service and it will useful for not only single website but also for many other websites. Those are providing same facility or functionality. Developer just need to consume the web services and then its required function is calling. Now we will see how web services create and we can consume it. You have to follow the step. Right click on your application, add a new item, select the web services from the provided data. The extension of web services is .asmx. Here you have to specify the proper name of web services. We are creating the web services for addition of two numbers, so for that purpose we are specifying the name of web services. Add to web services.asmx. Now add the web services. Web services is contain a class name and in which you have to specify your method or functionality which you want to execute or want to provide to your client. Here is one attribute name web services in bracket namespace is equal to the URL is specified. It's a default URL given by the all Visual Studio environment, but if you want to change or you want to give your domain name or your website names, then it can be possible because it will helpful to avoid conflict of web services which have the same name over the global environment. Now here we are modifying the method int number 1, int number 2. Just we want to addition of this two number. Web method attribute is also compulsory because without that client are unable to fetch your web services or functionality on the browser. So you have to specify such attribute in a web services. Now web services is created, but if you want to consume the web services, at that time you have to follow the some of the functionality. Before that we will execute our web services in that application and we will see the output. You can see that add method is created. We will provide the two value in number 1 and number 2 and invoke, and 30 will be the our result. But if you are removing the web method, then here you can see that your functionality or function will not appear. So it's a compulsory to define the web method when you are creating a web services for particular functionality. Now as I told you that for the consuming the web services we have to follow the define step as mentioned here. Just we are going to create the design for consuming the web services. One label for displaying the result and one button for consuming the web services. Here you have to perform one more step, that you have to add service reference. From that, click on discover, then press go. You can able to see your method which you have defined in your web services. Just select that one, give the proper name, add to service, and we are pressing it's okay, and reference is added over here. Now on the click event, you have to create the object of web services. Sum is equal to new web services. Sum dot, you can find the function which we have created in web services. It's a add, it accepting two parameter value which we are going to pass here with the help of text box. So text box 2 dot text, text box 3 dot text. Because it's text box ID is text box 2 and this text box ID is text box 3. But remember one thing, we have to convert these things to integer because text box text contain the string value. We are going to store this thing as a in the form of result in int variable. Now in a label we have to display the result. That result is integer, label is string, we have to convert it to string. Just execute. 10, 20, it will give you the output 30, 35, then it is 45. So in this way you are able to consume the web services. You can see here that I am not specifying the addition code over here because we are fetching these things from the defined web services. It's a add to number class in which one of the method is add method. So I hope you are understand the concept of web services, how we can create it and how we can consume it. Thank you for watching this video.